Do you find yourself shaking your legs restlessly? Can you notice you're the office tapper? Do you see yourself in your phone tapping and swiping away? Do you do pointless stuff like this? The fidget cube is an unusually addicting, high-quality desk toy designed to help you focus. Each side of the cube has a different fidgeting function.
Get the font right, get the treatment of this right, and I've made that, you might find something.
Fidget at work, in class, and at home in style. It's not uncommon to hear fidgeting being spoken about negatively. It's often labeled as unprofessional and deemed as anti-intellectual behavior. We believe that Fidget Cube provides a tangible way to capture your floating attention, regardless of whether you fidget consciously or subconsciously. It's not a toy, it's not a gadget, and it's not a tool. It's simply the solution for anybody who is always on the move. Fidget Cube is designed for anyone who needs to fidget or keep their hands moving. Fidget Cube's most natural place must be the workplace. Everyone loves to fidget at work, and now you have the perfect companion.
What is this?
It's a fidget cube.
Yeah, but what does it do? What's the point?
Keep your brain occupied.
£20? That's a great price. I love this product to no end. I must get my hands on one of these right away.